Now student, let's solve one more question that is related to the quadratic equation, and the same concept actually I am using here for the middle term splitting to clear your concept for the middle term splitting. It's looking little bit tough question, but no, it's very easy question. The same concept we will see. First of all, what we have to see, the coefficient of x square, that is 4, and the constant term, that is negative. So I'm writing negative here, minus, that is a square minus b square. So we have to convert that whole multiplication in such a way in two factor. In the difference of these two factor must be equal to the coefficient of x. It means 4b we need from these two by the difference. Let's go for that. So for that situation, what I'll do, I'm changing the color for you. What I'll do, I will write down this one, that is negative sign is already here. 2 into 2, 4 can be written 2 into 2, and that is a square minus b square can be written a minus b and a plus b. Now I'm just arranging in different way. I'm taking that 2, that 2 I'm taking with this. So it can be written, that is negative is already here, 2a plus 2b, and this 2 I'm taking with this factor, that can be written into 2a minus 2b. So from here, if you take the difference of these two factors, since here is negative, the difference of these two factors will be equal to 4ab. Let me show you how it is coming. That is 2a plus 2b, and subtracting this one means subtracting this one. Difference means subtraction. That is 2a minus 2b, and subtract them. That is already positive, so it's become negative. It's become positive, that is cut down, it is coming 4b. Now you understand, it means we have to convert 4b in these two factors by the difference. Let me apply this for you. So here I am going to do, let's change the color. This will be 4x square plus into x in a bracket. What I will write down? I will write down that is 2a plus 2b. 2a plus 2b here. And subtraction means difference we have to think. It means minus sign here. That will be 2a minus 2b. That is, close the bracket, minus a square minus b square. It was in bracket. So that is the situation. Now open that bracket, 4x square plus, I am applying this x to first part of that. So it will be 2a plus 2b into x. And here I am writing this a negative sign. So negative 2a minus 2b into x. And this can be written minus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now that was the rough work. Already. So let's go. You can see that from these two, the 2 is common, 2 is everywhere, and x is common. So it can be written 2x as a common. So after taking common in a bracket, you see 2x plus a, because 2 you have taken common, a plus b, and x already taken, so that bracket close. Now see that you can write down a square minus b square as this one, a minus b plus c. I am writing, that will be one more step, but to clear your concept I am writing again. So 2 is common, I am taking 2, and after taking 2 common, a minus b, and here was x, and that can be written a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to 0. Now you see that what is common from these two. You see that what is common, easily we can see that a minus b is common, minus is also common. So I'm writing this one first part of the question, that is 2x plus a plus b, and a minus b is common and minus is common. So a minus b is common. So inside the bracket we see this we have taken common, so that is 2x is left, and a minus b we have taken common, minus we have taken common, so it will be positive a plus b. That is, after doing that whole analysis, we can see that that part that I'm talking about, that is totally common in these two terms, that is first term from here to here and second term from here to here. In these two terms we see that 2x plus a plus b is a common, so I'm writing 2x plus a plus b is common. So what is left in the bracket? That 2x is left, and what is left here? You have taken this one is common, so this one minus in a bracket a minus b. Why I'm writing in a bracket? Because already this whole data negatively is left, that's why I'm writing this one in bracket. That is equal to 0. Same concept I will apply. There are two factors, one is this factor till here to here and another factor is this one. The multiplication of these two factors is 0, it means one of them is 0. So I'm putting that is 2x plus a plus b is 0. Then x can be written, or you can write down 2x can be written minus a minus b. I'm taking minus is common, a plus b, and x can be written from here, x is equal to minus a plus b upon 2. That is the first answer of the question. Let's change the color for the another answer. This one we are writing, it means we are writing here 2x minus in a bracket a minus b is equal to a 0. So x, or you can say 2x is equal to a minus b. So from here x is equal to a minus b upon 2. These are the two answers of the question, and highlight them. This is we have highlighted. That's why an examiner can see what we have written, what is our final answer. We are like looking like hand. Okay, fine. So that's all about the quadratic equation for related to two questions I have solved. I hope you people like that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching that video. Goodbye.